So you want to build your child's foundation, let them learn through enjoyment rather than forcing them to, making them sitting with the books and saying, learn A, B, C, D, E, F, G is going to be very boring. It's going to be a burden. It's going to be like another task that they have to do. You have to make it a play. A play could be just a board or drawing or coloring or making in the sand day or whatever. You have to have your own imaginations to get your child. What works for your child will probably not work with the other child. So you have to find out those ideas for yourself. Now, how many of you would love when your child scribbles on the wall? The first thing that you will say, no, you can't do this, But just these negative remarks like no, no, don't, that's what I just said, it's going to make them learn the wrong things rather than the right things. Because then they don't know what is supposed to be done. See, what we do is, हम बोलते नहीं, don't do this, don't write on the wall, don't color the wall. But have you ever said what they are supposed to be doing? So they learn what they don't have to do, but they don't learn what they have to do. So rather than, so should as parents, should we be just accepting and be permissive and let them color the walls and do anything what they want? No, you can just plainly say a statement, I see that you like coloring the walls, but you can let the child also know that what wall is not there for coloring. Papers are for coloring, How would it be that if we color on the paper and you get a paper and you start coloring? The child will follow you. When the child's feelings are accepted, they will accept the limitations that you set for them. Kids are kids, so discipline is required on one hand, but you have to set realistic goals and not unrealistic goals. Punishment does not and never works with toddlers because they don't know what is the concept of punishment. Punishment will just teach them how to get frightened of you. Right? So tomorrow they will not come up and open with you. The key is patience. So show constant love, support and presence. That is the most important message that you can pass across your child. Through words, through gestures, through body language, through every way that I am there. I am just there with you. Whether you do well, whether you don't do well. Whether you do this, whether you do. Even if she is spilling and you are getting irritated, go in the bathroom, get out your irritation in front of the mirror, come in back in front of her and just give her a hug. And say, I still love you. You know what she'll do? She'll respect you.